Hi guys, it's me again, coming to you because I have some new things that came in. Some things came in from Fashion Nova that I ordered, so I thought I would show them to you. I forgot now what I ordered, but I'm going to open the bag up and show them to you, and maybe try some things on. I don't know, but we'll see. In Fashion Nova, we already know that's a thumbs up. So there's no if they have good stuff. We know they have good stuff. So I'm gonna open the bag and see what I got. Trying some new looks for the summer. Trying some new looks for the summer. So. Oh wow, what did I order? Let's see. Let's see. Make sure I cut these because if they're not the right size, I'm gonna have to send them back and get the right size. Oh, these are the pants that I ordered. So I forgot what they call them, like scrunch pants or something. And I like the color, the brownish natural looking color. So I wanted to try these. I never wear like these kind of pants with the elastic in the waist, so I thought I see a lot of people wearing them, and they have in there at the bottom, they have like this scrunch, and they look like they're really long. Let's see. Oh, they have a little slit on the side. So I'm gonna try them and see. I don't know if they're my size or not. They look a little big. So we'll try those on. Let's see. What else did I get? Oh yeah, this is a t-shirt. Oh good, and it's not 100% cotton. I like stuff with a little bit of stretch in it, and it feels better than 100% cotton. I mean, it's nothing wrong with 100% cotton. It's just that I myself, for 100% cotton, you don't have much give. It's kind of, it is what it is. Like with this, even though it's big, I can like wear this and tie it behind my back or over to the side. But anyway, this is the shirt. And it says, what does it say? Love yourself. So I love it. I love any kind of shirt that has some type of good message on it, or affirmation, as they call it on the shirt. So I'm gonna try this on, and it is huge, so I'll probably end up tying it around me or something. So definitely will keep that regardless. Let's see. This looks like a shirt. Okay. I didn't know that this was long sleeve. Is it long sleeve? Yeah, it's long sleeve. Oh, eyes on me. Ah, that's cute. So let's see. I don't know, this might be big too. So not as big as I was, so I don't know. I have to try this on because this one, you can't really tie it because it's, I think, meant to be short. It's meant to be short. So, but I love it. It's not 100% cotton. I think it has probably some kind of spandex in it because it's stretch, which I love the feeling of that. Like I said, better than 100% cotton. Let's see. A lot of stuff. I must have did this while I was, if anybody's like me, I shop like at 1 in the morning in the bed with my iPad I know I'm not the only one. And then forget the next day what I ordered. I think a few people probably do that. Not just me. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I think this is 100%. Well, no, it stretches. This is huge, so I'm gonna have to tie it. But this says Queen. I like that. It has like the little stones on it, so that's cute. So I'll end up probably having to tie that. There's a lot of stuff in here, my goodness. I think I got this when everything was 50% off. You know, Fashion Nova have the best sales. And I think that last week, the entire site was like 50% off. And so that's when I got a lot of this stuff. So it actually wasn't that expensive. And you know, Fashion Nova isn't expensive anyway. So I noticed that mesh is in. A lot of mesh stuff is in now. So this is a mesh top that I got because I wanted to try mesh. Oh, ooh, that's gonna be really close around the neck, but that's it. That's what it looks like. Can't wait to see what that's gonna look like. Okay, hold on for a minute. Let's do this. Let's put a bow clamp right here. Okay, let's see. It's funny how those other bags I had to cut. Now these are the bags I like. All you have to do is just slide it back. Oh. So I'm not used to, or I'm not the one that wears, you know, snug stuff, you know, form-fitting stuff. That's not normally me. Don't know how I feel about these. These are some long pants. It's an outfit. They have a slit on the side, so might be, they look like they would be long enough for me, but then they look big. I think I ordered everything actually too big. And then this is the top. And then the top is long, but it has a long slit on the side. So we'll see what this looks like. I don't know if this is my speed or not. Let's see, this is another bag that I have to cut. These are another pair of colorful scrunch pants. I guess, I don't know what they call them. I'm just gonna call them scrunch pants. That I see a lot of people wearing now. And they're colorful. And they're scrunched, and they have a slit on the side. I don't know if you can see that or not. It has a slit on the side, and they're scrunched. So, see, they look big. I think I ordered everything too big. Anyway, that's all of my stuff. So it'll probably be another video showing me trying them on and what they look like. So look out for that. But that's just my Fashion Nova unboxing. Look out for the next video. Talk to you soon.